Creating uncopied, royalty-free instrumental. I proudly use it for an industry machine working video. The music should feel modern, mechanical, and professional with a steady rhythm that matches CNC or factory machines in operation. Use light electronic beats, subtle industrial sound, soft sub-bass, and minimal melody. No vocals, no lyrics. Mood should be focused, productive, futuristic, and calm, suitable for long machine process. Tempo medium, 19,100 BPM! Clean sound.